We're serving up mahi-mahi with a zesty basil butter sauce.
Beautiful mahi-mahi.
I'm gonna spray your grill, son.
Right? I got 4 gorgeous mahi-mahi steaks here. They're
gosh.
They're about 6 ounces a piece.
I love mahi.
And we're gonna do them with a really nice zesty basil butter. And the only thing I do to mine is just, I rub a little olive oil on it, a little salt and pepper and garlic powder, and that's really all you need for a good piece of fish.
While Bobby is all in our fish, y'all, I'm gonna be making this butter. It's a zesty basil butter. And, you know, it just depends on how many people you're feeding as to how much butter you want to mix up.
Or to who's making it.
Or who's eating it. But anyway, I'm throwing probably about 3 tablespoons in there, son.
All right,
of
Mama.
Softened butter. Now I'm gonna take 1 fat garlic clove. I wanna really mince it up fine so that that garlic flavor will get right in that butter like immediately.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah. All right, son, you know what I'm gonna do for you?
What you gonna do?
I think if you'll pass me that olive oil, I'm just gonna go with a little bit more on it.
All right.
Just to juice that fish up. I'm gonna put about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm just gonna squirt that in our butter. This lemon feels a little oily.
Look at that place. Watch the fish.
Okay. All right, son, just chop me up about 1.5 tablespoons of that, a little bit finer.
All right. Will you put a little salt and pepper, please, on the other side of that fish?
I will do it. You know, the wonderful thing about being in the kitchen is don't sweat the small stuff. You know, everything can be fixed. It's more about the fact that I'm in here with my child, having a wonderful time.
Right.
The food is just kind of the vehicle that got us here, you know what I mean?
You want a tablespoon?
About 1.5 tablespoons of fresh basil. And son, I'm gonna put just a wee little bit of salt and pepper to our butter.
There you go.
So we're taking it easy with seafood today, aren't we?
Doesn't get much easier than this.
No, or better.
I think that the fish is ready.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't take long. How easy was that?
Very easy.
All right, now here comes the good part. Bring that platter over here so I can reach it, Bobby. Here we go, y'all.
Oh, that looks and smells so good.
Oh, incredible. I'm just gonna put a little basil on it, a little twist of lemon.
You ready to fix a plate?
I am so dadgum ready. Come on down here.
All right. You want me to bring the fish?
Yes, please, son.
Coming.
Put it right there. And I'm gonna dip us up some couscous, if I may.
Please do.
Let me get our fish.
Yeah.
You cooked the fish perfectly. You see, y'all, you can still see that it's moist.
Mm-hmm. It's like a really nice, perfect medium.
Right on the money. How about a little crusty bread?
All right. You mind if I go ahead and try this?
No, honey. You dig in. Is it, like, wonderful?
The zesty basil butter is what makes it.
Look here.
It's all about balance.
You know, the only flavors I'm getting is, like, garlic and butter.
Those are good flavors to get.
And a little basil. Bobby, you know, you've been talking about balance and all that
We're going to
stuff.
balance it out.
Yeah, we're going to balance it out.
What are we balancing
We're
next?
going to even the playing field, honey.
Maybe Sam will stop by.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.